Hello everyone, this is our next question in which two statements are given, one labeled as assertion and other is labeled as reason. Select the correct answer to these questions from the codes 1, 2, 3 and 4 as given below. So the first is both assertion and reasons are correct statement and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Second, both assertion and the reasons are correct statement, but reason is not a correct explanation of assertion. Third option, assertion is correct, but reason is incorrect statement. And fourth, assertion is correct, but the reason is correct statement. So the 16th question is assertion is boiling point of alkali halides decreases in order Ri, Rbr, Rcl and Rf. Reason is van der Waals forces decrease with increasing in the size of halogen atoms. So it is the correct answer for is A. Both assertion and reason are correct statement and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. This is because the order of boiling points of alkali halides is primary, secondary, then iso and then tertiary. So we have I'm going to tell you why RF is smaller than Ri. In comparison of RF and Ri, the boiling point's molecular weight is definitely in the favor of higher boiling points for Ri, at least for small molecules. The more the bond, the more the energy needed to break them, hence higher boiling point. Therefore, we have to need more energy to break the bond with I as compared to F, which means that the Ri needs more power to break as compared to RF. So therefore the statement is correct and the reason is also correct because with the increase in the size of halogen atom, the magnitude of van der Waals forces of attraction also increases. As the van der Waals force of attraction increases, the more the energy is needed. So the more the higher the boiling point of Ri is there as compared to Rf. So therefore it is the correct answer.